this hour's car review, I had a chance to drive the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Comes in these trim levels: SR, the SR5, the TRD Sport, the TRD Off-Road, the Limited, and the TRD Pro. I had the Tacoma Trail 4x4 double cab. Now, I don't know exactly where it falls into all of this. I would assume that it's the TRD Off-Road. Let me look at it. It might be on here.
It's a good-looking truck.
I love this truck, and it is the number one selling what they call midsize or smaller truck. It doesn't actually say which one it is. It's a TRD Performance Exhaust. It's got all these other things on it. So I'm not exactly sure. Tacoma Trail, that's not part of the listing of what it is. It falls under one of those categories.
Yeah, it is one of the trim levels that's a
Did you
standalone.
study for this?
I did. Tacoma Trail 4x4 double cab, small pickup truck, seats 5, including the driver. Exterior changes from last year, none. The current model was first introduced in 2016. Exterior features one of the better looking designs among competitors in its class. Equally proportioned wheel openings and body side sculpting. Serious business tailgate and rear lighting. I wrote that. I don't know what that means exactly. Serious business. It looks serious, like a real truck should, in my estimation. Great lighting, front and rear. What I liked, the gold wheels on this set the Trail model apart from all the others. And it's kind of a dark gold. It looked really good. What I liked, what could use improvement, the 4x4 sits a little bit higher than its competitors, but it is kind of an off-road vehicle, so I guess it needs to. Interior highlights: very straightforward design, attractive and serious. I use that term again. Infotainment screen built in with legible icons. Seating is comfortable. The bed is adequate for a smaller size. What I liked, the manly design. It has a manly design.
Seriously.
That's what I put down here. A seriously manly design. What could use improvement? Toyota needs to offer a high premium interior. I wrote that. But I've got another story to tell you about after I do this review. 3.5 liter V6. That's what I had. The entry-level size is a 2.7 liter four-banger available on the SR and the SR5. Our 3.5 liter V6 turned out 278 horsepower, 265 pound-feet of torque. It works for this size vehicle. 6-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating on this is 3,500 pounds. Haul rating 1,560. It got 18 miles per gallon city, 22 highway, combined of 20. I got 17.9 over 209 miles. What I liked about it, that the V6 is adequate for this vehicle. What could use improvement? Fuel mileage and 8 or 10-speed automatic transmission.
Which would help the fuel mileage.
It would, yes. And depending on speed, transmission likes to downshift, and at points it becomes annoying. For instance, if I'm doing 73 miles an hour via the cruise control on the Beltway, which is under the 10 miles an hour over, it tends to downshift going over an overpass.
I'm telling Stephen Wooding on you.
Do that. Do that. Those guys pass me by all the time. Ride and handling, what I liked about it, compliant ride for a truck, which is not unusual because, you know, these newer trucks today have a softer suspension. Yeah. What could use improvement? An air ride option. Maybe I'm going overboard on that, but I think that it would be
expensive as an option.
But I think that America is ready for that. Base trim price, $40,470. Prices tested, $46,439. Base model price, if you can find one, they start at $28,580. Competitors, the Nissan Frontier starts at $30,670. That was recently redone. Really, it's a nice-looking, competitive vehicle. Ford Ranger, $29,585. And the Chevy Colorado for $29,200. Those are all entry-level prices. So that's my review of the Toyota Tacoma. Now, in addition to that, I did want to